Good morning, my YouTube fam, you guys. My Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Bag is in. It's only $12 a month. She has amazing eyeshadows, as I've repeatedly told y'all. If you want to know what's in this month's Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Bag, just... Alright, guys. Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Bag. First, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and please go check out Copacetic Cosmetics. This is a everyday look for me, and I will show you where I put on the eyeshadow that came in this month and another eyeshadow of hers. You guys, I love Copacetic Cosmetics eyeshadows. I truly, truly do. I also love her matte lipsticks. They are transfer proof. They don't smudge. You can wear them all day long. I love, love, love them. Now, first Tuesday of every month, she has a sale on her eyeshadows. They're like $2 or $2.50. And then she also currently has a mystery box going on, which I believe is around $45. She has these great, great nail polishes, a lot of glitter polishes, a lot of matte polishes. They're gorgeous. This month's polish right here is, this here is 2 layers with just using the brush. I did not use the sponge. And it is called Jack-O-Lantern's Flame. It's beautiful gold, or not gold, red glitter polish. She also sent this orangey colored matte lipstick. I do not have it on, you guys. I don't like orange lipsticks. I just don't. Yeah, no, not for me. But I am going to go ahead and swatch it for you. It's more like a burnt orange. It's beautiful. Look at that. That is a gorgeous orangey shade. If you like orangey lipsticks, I prefer mattes, the ones that don't transfer, that you can wear all day long. This is the shade, I already forgot, and it's upside down. Smashing Pumpkins. Hey, there's a band called that. Gorgeous, gorgeous orangey shade. Here you go. Now, when this dries down, you guys, it's not going to transfer. It is smudge proof. It wears all day long. I do love her matte lipsticks. Now, the mystery item that we got, you get 4 items in the cutie bag. You get an eyeshadow, a lippy, a nail polish, and a mystery item. This is her face mask, and it is in aloe and pumpkin. Here it is. It's our mystery item this month. She usually has 2 different mystery items that she'll put in the bags. That's what I got this month. Now, the eyeshadow that I got, this is called Squash Goals. Now, it is beautiful. It is a gold shade. And I will start playing right down there, me using it, plus this shade of hers right here, the yellow one. This is Grilled Corn. We've gotten it in a previous bag. So, Smash Goals. It has a little bit of glitter in it, not a lot. It's gorgeous, you guys. We'll do a swatch right beside that lipstick for you. Look at that gold. Let's see. Let's get you over here, maybe. There we go. Look at that. And there it is on the eyes again. And you can see it playing right down there. Here, we'll put it over here so you can see a little bit better. The video down there for you. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. And I am going to put it in my little kitty single shadow holder that I also got from Cutie Cosmetics. You guys, I absolutely love her eyeshadows. I do, very much so. Unfortunately, I cannot afford right now her mystery bag. I just can't. It just is what it is. Again, you guys, the cutie bag is just $12 monthly. You get 1 eyeshadow, 1 lippy, a mystery item, and a little bitty nail polish, which I believe is 5 milliliters. Cute, cute, cute. Love, love, love. I think I'll always be subscribed to Copacetic Cosmetics. I do love her eyeshadows. I do. You do get to pick what you get each month if you go in and get it done in time. Most months I don't. So I kind of have a general idea of what I'm going to end up with, but most months I have no idea, y'all. So it is a surprise. I love it. Look at that gold. Oh, I just love it, love it, love it. All right, loves, that's it. I will leave the Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Bag link down below. This is still drying, but we don't want to make this video keep going. That's from where it hasn't dried yet, you guys. Let me see if I can smear it out to where it'll dry a little faster. Yeah, there you go. Transfer proof. You guys, I love them. I love her matte lipsticks. I truly do. Orange just isn't my shade. All right, loves, I hope you had a fantastic Halloween. I'll throw up my picture there for my 2 different looks. We had fun. Little Noah just went to one trunk or treat, and he was done. That's it. We got to quit giving him so much stuff so he'll start getting excited for things again. All right, loves, I'm going to go. Hope you have a fantabulous week, and your girl will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.